Meditation is a practice that has been around for centuries and has numerous benefits for both the body and mind. It involves focusing the mind on a particular object, thoughts, or activity to achieve a state of mental clarity and relaxation. Meditation has different types and purposes, including spiritual meditation, religious meditation, and peace of mind meditation. With the world moving at a fast pace, many individuals long for a tranquil and serene haven to seek inner peace and comprehension. Meditation has emerged as a powerful practice offering profound benefits for the mind, body, and spirit. As you embark on your meditation journey, you may find yourself pondering which path to follow: spiritual meditation, religious meditation, or meditation for peace of mind. Let's explore the characteristics, benefits, and considerations of each, empowering you to choose the approach that resonates most deeply within your needs and aspirations. Hello and welcome to my channel Soulful Spark. Guys, if you are new in my channel, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon to get notified about every videos we create. Today in this article, we will delve into the realms of spiritual religious meditation and the pursuit of peace of mind. Spiritual meditation. Spiritual meditation delves into the depth of the soul, seeking to connect with a higher power or universal energy. It allows individuals to reflect on their beliefs, values, and purpose in life. Through spiritual meditation, individuals explore the nature of existence, tap into their inner wisdom, cultivate a sense of purpose, and help them feel more connected to something greater than themselves. Benefits may include deepening connection with a higher power or spiritual essence, gaining insights into the nature of self and existence, fostering a sense of interconnectedness and universal love, cultivating inner peace, wisdom, and compassion. Considerations. Spiritual meditation may require belief systems or specific practices that align with your personal convictions. It involves a willingness to explore the mystical and transcendental aspects of life. Religious meditation intertwines with established religious traditions and practices, a practice that is deeply ingrained in many religious traditions, serving as a gateway to deepening one's faith, understanding sacred texts, and nurturing a connection with the divine. It provides a framework for spiritual growth within a specific religious context. Religious meditation can also provide comfort and guidance in the time of difficulty and help you understand the meaning of your existence through some practices. Benefits may include strengthening religious devotion and connection to religious community, deepening understanding and interpretation of sacred scriptures, enhancing spiritual virtues such as faith, gratitude, and forgiveness, cultivating a sense of reverence, awe, and divine presence. Considerations. Religious meditation may require adherence to specific rituals, beliefs, or guidance from religious authorities. It provides a structured path for those seeking to deepen their religious commitment. Meditation for peace of mind. Meditation for peace of mind is a secular practice that focuses on calming the mind and reducing stress. It involves techniques like mindfulness meditation, where individuals observe their thoughts and feelings without judgment, and breathing exercises, which can help regulate the body's physiological responses to stress. This way of meditation emphasizes secular mindfulness practices focused on mental and emotional well-being. It is a powerful tool for managing stress, calming the mind, and cultivating inner balance. This approach prioritizes present moment awareness and self-care. Benefits may include reducing stress, anxiety, and depression, improving focus, attention, and cognitive abilities, enhancing emotional resilience and self-regulation, cultivating a sense of calm, clarity, and overall well-being. Considerations. Meditation for peace of mind is accessible to individuals regardless of their religious or spiritual background. It offers practical techniques that can be integrated into daily life. Choosing which type of meditation to practice depends on individual preferences, beliefs, and goals. It's important to consider what resonates with you and aligns with your values. Whether you are looking for a spiritual growth, connection to a higher power, or stress reduction, meditation can be a powerful tool to achieve your goals. The benefits of meditation are numerous and well documented. Research shows that regular meditation can improve mental and physical health, reduce stress and anxiety, increase focus and concentration, enhance emotional regulation, and improve overall health and mental well being. In summary, whether you choose spiritual meditation, religious meditation, or peace of mind meditation, the benefits are clear. It is a powerful tool that can help individuals find inner peace, reduce stress, and overall well being. The question of which way of practicing meditation is better, religious, spiritual, or for personal well being, is a subjective and depends on individual preferences, beliefs, and goals. Some people may find solace and a deeper connection to their faith or spirituality through religious or spiritual meditation practices. For them, the rituals, symbolism, and guidance provided by the religious or spiritual tradition can enhance their meditation experience. On the other hand, many individuals approach meditation from a secular perspective, focusing on its benefit for a personal well-being, stress reduction, and mental clarity. They may draw from various techniques and mindfulness practices that resonates with them without any specific religious or spiritual context. Ultimately, the effectiveness of meditation lies in the commitment, consistency, and sincerity of the practitioner, regardless of the approach taken. It's important to respect and honor individual choices and paths, as what works best for one person may not work for another. The key is to find a practice that aligns with your values, beliefs, and goals and supports your overall well-being. The most important thing is to find a meditation practice that resonates with you and fits into your daily routine. Thank you for being with us until the end. And guys, if you are new in my channel, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon to get notified about every content we create. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.